Hello everyone, in this video we are going to visit the admission portal of IGNOU for the year 2021. And we are going to go through a free PGDHHM, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital and Health Management course for SC or ST students. But the last date for submission of the application is 15th March 2021. So better hurry. In this video, I am going to walk you through the entire process for registration, submissions, eligibility, etc. I am Dr. Samina and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. Also, don't forget to share our video with your friends and colleagues. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Click on the link in the description below to get to this particular web page. Here, as you can see, we are at the admission portal and you can click here for new registrations. Last date of submissions of application is 15th March 2021. And in this particular admission cycle, the facility for fee exemption is available for SC and ST students only, and it can be claimed on any one of the following 7 programs. If an applicant submits more than one application claiming fee exemption, all the applications are liable to be rejected. So make sure you fill only one of these 7 applications. If you are in the medical field, so this is the best course for you, PGDHHM, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital and Health Management. So, let us read the instructions to fill the application form online. So, if you are a first-time applicant, you are advised to click the Available Program tab on the home page on the online admission system and select the desired program and carefully read the details of the program, including eligibility criteria, fee details, and duration, etc. So, let us go through the details of this program in the IGNOU Common Prospectus, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital and Health Management PGDHHM, is from the School of Health Sciences. This program fulfills the specific needs of middle-level administrators in hospital or healthcare setups. The comprehensive program provides a professional qualification and an insight into the managerial function for those serving graduates who wish to take up hospital and health administration as career. It will also be of immediate benefit to those who are currently engaged in hospital administration at senior levels. So what is the selection procedure? Those satisfying the eligibility requirements will be selected on the basis of criteria laid down by the School of Health Sciences IGNOU. The criteria for selection will be developed taking into account hospital experience, years of service, educational qualification. Selection will be made on regional centers PSC basis. In each study program center, a maximum of 40 students will be admitted only. So if there are more than 40 applicants, your eligibility will be the criteria for the selection. So at present, PSCs for the program are available in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Jabalpur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Nagpur, Patna, Pune, and Srinagar. So the program design is, each course is considered as a separate entity by itself and when conceptually comprehended as issues of hospital system. So let us see the eligibility. So you have to understand the eligibility of this course. Primarily, to get it free, you need to be SC or ST category. If you are not, you have to pay the fees of this program. So let us see the eligibility first. Medical or dental graduates from the Medical or Dental Institutes of India or other countries recognized by MCI or Dental Council. Graduates in Indian System of Medicine and Homeopathy, Nursing and Pharmacy recognized by respective council with 3 years of hospital experience. Candidates holding MBA degree or PG diploma in financial, material or personal management with 5 years of hospital experience. Preference will be given to applicants working in the hospital or healthcare institutions and holding administrative responsibilities. So, you have to understand that the preference will be given to those who are already working as an hospital administrator. Okay, so the medium of language will be English. The duration will be minimum 1 year and maximum 3 years. So you have to complete this course in 1 to 3 years. It is offered as January cycles of admission, and the fee structures as 25,200, which will be free if you belong to SC or ST category and you fit in these eligibility criteria. But there will be a selection process, and you have to pay full fees if you are in any other category. And there will be a 6-session course, PGDHHM 1 to 6. So in these you will get these theory, practical as well as total marks. The application for program is to be submitted by this link. At the time of submitting the application, only the registration fee, that is 400, is to be paid. Applicants selected for admission shall be intimated online and shall be required to pay the program fee within the specified date, failing which the offer of admission will be withdrawn and the seat may be given to another candidate next in the merit list. The study center allotted by the university shall be final. So you cannot change the study centers. The study centers were these ones, so you cannot change them. Whichever is given to you, you have to abide with that. So the next instruction is, you are requested to download the common prospectus and read carefully the rules of the university as mentioned in the common prospectus. Click on the button New Registration that appears in the applicant login area and fill the required registration details. Remember, while choosing your username, it should be between 8 to 16 characters. While choosing your password, it should be alphanumeric and between 8 to 16 characters. After filling the mandatory information, click on Submit button. Username can be instantly sent to you via mail or SMS. Remember the username and password. If you have already registered, you are an existing user, then click Login button. So I'll just show you how to do this. This is your register online and you have to click on Fresh Admission, and then you can see this area here on your right side where it is written Registered User Login, and here you have to enter your username and password if you have already registered, or you have to register again. So let us see what is the next instruction. Before proceeding for filling the form online, the applicant must have scanned photograph, scanned signature, scanned copy of age proof, scanned copy of relevant educational qualification, scanned copy of experience certificate, scanned copy of category certificate SC, ST or OBC, scanned copy of BPL certificate if below poverty line, and fees can be paid via following methods: credit card, debit card and net banking. It is suggested to scan the documents from your original. Once you have uploaded the document, click the next button. You will get the form preview option. Save or print your form for future reference. So that is how you can fill the form for PGDHHM, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital and Health Management, and become a hospital administrator, that too free if you belong to SC or ST category. And you have to pay the fees of 25,200 for the full program if you do not belong to SC or ST category. So that was all in today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget the last date of submission is 15th March 2021. Please hurry. Okay. The rest of the courses I have been through and there is no scope for homeopaths at least. So I don't think that will be useful for you. But this particular course can be done by homeopaths all over India. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. Thank you for watching our videos and liking them. Please comment in the comment section below if you have any other doubts. Thank you.